How's it going, Vikings?
I'm Will.
And I'm Kiara. And you're watching Disney Channel.
No, but actually, welcome to the first episode of
Friday Night Vike.
A new show brought to you by students for students.
Kind of like Morning Vike, but without all the hassle of being on a tight schedule.
Now, let's get into our first event of the night.
Emerson and Company confronting students about ditching class.
At all. Catch him! Apprehend him! Tackle him on the ground. What class are you supposed to be in?
Hey. Start recording. Excuse me. What class are you supposed to be in right now?
I am supposed to be in my chemistry class right over there.
How does it feel to ditch?
Well, I just took a potty break real quick because I had to pee.
It's a real nice fabrication, good sir. Having a good day? Yo, Seth, where are you supposed to be right now?
The bathroom. No.
Bro, Seth, you going to the bathroom?
That's
You have to let me to the bathroom.
Mr. Russell. No, I'm busy. Mr. Russell, aren't you in class right now?
Excuse me, where are you supposed to be right now, good sir?
Right there.
Where were you off to?
Water.
You getting water? Where are you getting water?
Do you think it's funny to ditch class?
Yes. I think it's hilarious.
Can we get that quoted?
Yes.
Owen says it's fun to ditch class?
Yes.
Okay.
Incredibly fun.
Okay.
I love it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Hey, I got another. That's a no?
No.
Okay.
No, I'm not doing it.
Where are you supposed to be right now? Where are you going off to, bud?
Not here. You have to say.
This is a fight or flight response where the subject is flight.
Ditching school.
Is this what you guys do?
Excuse me, good sir. Where are you supposed to be right now?
That.
Where's your class?
It's steam.
Steam. Where's Steam?
Somewhere over here.
Where are you going off to?
The bathroom.
Sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Okay.
Excuse me, Eva. Where are you supposed to be right now?
I'm supposed to be in my chemistry class.
Where is your chemistry class?
It's right there, Mr.
Okay.
Jones' classroom.
Where are you off to?
Going to the bathroom.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we
Have
got
a
a
nice
lab.
day.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Excuse me, sir. Where are you supposed to be right now? What class?
Math.
Okay. Where are you heading off to?
Office.
You're going to the office.
Yeah.
All right. Have a nice day.
That sounds partially believable.
Well, I need to head out for no reason in particular, but yeah, Will, that was an interesting video.
All right, my broskies. Now let's get into the next one.
Here's Tristan interviewing people about their OOTDs.
Yo, what's up, Vikings? I'm here with
Caden.
All right, Caden. So today we're recording a video about how much your outfit cost. So how much your outfit cost?
All right, so first off, we got these. The New Balance 17.
Okay, yeah, I like those. How
That'll
much?
cost you a whole rack.
A whole rack. Okay.
We got the Volcom.
Welcome. Okay.
$6 at Goodwill.
$6. That's a steal.
Rovka Designer. You can't find this anywhere.
Oh my God.
2 racks.
2 racks. You guys hear that?
Chain. You don't even want to know the price.
Can we hear?
3 bands.
3 bands, guys. I don't even know what to say right now. Okay, guys. This has been Tristan, and this has been
Caden.
All right. Now we're gonna shoot it back to you at the studio.
Very unswaggerlicious.
In related news, the Equinox dance was last Saturday.
I was told it was boring by my secondhand source. However, I'm not concerned because I'm extremely lonely and had nobody to go with. Well, that was still really uneventful.
Let's go into the next video of Who's That Baby?
Who's that?
Baby!
Wait, can you guys just hold on 1 second?
It's so embarrassing, right? You're trash.
No, seriously, just 1 second. I'm gonna.
Wait, what do I say? Welcome to Who's That Baby? Where in this show, it's simple. Who is that baby? Guess, and if you're right, maybe you'll get a prize. We'll see. Today we're with
Christina. Shembri.
And we have a few options for you to choose that baby. So we'll go ahead and show it on the screen, that baby.
So,
all right, there you can see. And
here's the baby. You get a good look at him.
stare at it.
Stare.
That's the baby.
That's the baby. Here's option 1.
Okay.
Don't guess yet.
Here's option 2.
Okay.
And here's option 3.
Now think. Do you want to see him again?
Do you need the...
Let me see the baby again.
Okay, I got you. That's a baby.
It's a good looking baby.
All right, I know.
So is it 1, 2, or 3?
I think it's option 3.
She's crazy. She's cracked. She knows that baby.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching so much. Ah! All right, I'm with my boy. What's your name?
Jack.
Jack what?
Story.
All right, and today he's gonna answer a simple question. Who is that baby? Who is that baby? All right, this is the baby. Like, go ahead and check it out.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Good looking baby.
And this would be option number 1.
Okay. Sexy.
Yep. And then this would be option number 2.
All right.
Yep.
Good looking.
And then this is option number 3.
Okay.
Now tell us, which
Handsome.
one is that baby?
I'm gonna go with option number 3.
False.
X, he's wrong. Get him out. Baby 2. Let's go.
Baby 2.
All right, so we're back with Christina.
Hey.
And today, or the same day, we're doing baby 2. The second one. Let's go ahead and see. Go ahead and check out those options, please.
There's your baby.
That's your baby.
It's a pretty bad picture.
Oh,
That was
you heard that out there. She hates babies.
No, I'm just saying it was pretty blurry.
Here's option 1.
Okay.
Here's option 2.
Okay.
And then we have option 3. Who's that baby?
Can I see the baby again, please?
She wants to see.
I'm gonna go with option 3 again.
She was right. She knows those babies. A little suspicious. Why
I
she
think
know?
she cheated.
Why she know
I
babies?
did. I can barely even see the baby.
Well, thank you for tuning in.
That was pretty cool. They were so cute when they were younger.
Definitely. Amazing how much we change over time.
Now let's go into Veronica's music interviews.
Hello, Late Night Vike. I'm Veronica Bissett in Mr. Kaufman's room, and today I am here with Studio Creations. What is your favorite song artist at the moment?
I really like Panic at the Disco, and I really like the song King of the Clouds.
My favorite artist has to be Youngblood at the moment right now.
I have 2 pretty close ones. I've been listening to Current Joys recently, and my friend Salem got me into The Garden.
Teenage Dirtbag by Wheatus.
My favorite artist at the moment is probably Idris or Hers. I really like Harvey. I also like What Once Was by Hers.
And I like Sublime and The Garden.
Mother, Mother, and Mitski.
The Crane Wives and Mother Mother. The Oleander by Mother, or Teeth by the Crane Wives.
Well, all of them definitely have interesting tastes.
Well, if it isn't autotune, it isn't music.
Well, for sake of arguments, I won't go there, so let's just leave it at that.
Well, that's all of it. I think we did a good show for the first time.
We are definitely going to get canceled by the teachers for being fun, but we'll see.
If you liked the show, make sure to tell your friends, subscribe, and keep on watching.
Absolutely. We upload weekly every Friday around 2:45 to 3 o'clock.
Till next time, Vikings.
Soak up the rags, walk up the mask, light up the night.